Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus without olive oil. First, gather your ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and a few tablespoons of cold water. This easy method creates a wonderfully smooth and flavorful dip. It's perfect for a healthy snack or a delicious addition to any meal. Let's get started on this simple recipe. Now, let's get blending. Start by draining and rinsing your chickpeas very well. Place the rinsed chickpeas into your food processor, along with a 1/4 cup of tahini and the fresh juice from 1 lemon. Process these ingredients until they form a thick, somewhat crumbly paste. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. This step is crucial for a smooth base. To achieve that signature creamy texture, slowly add cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, while the food processor is running. You'll likely need 2 to 4 tablespoons, depending on your desired consistency. Keep blending until the hummus is incredibly smooth and light. Finally, season your hummus with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of ground cumin for extra flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. Your delicious, olive oil-free hummus is now ready to enjoy. Spoon it into a serving bowl, and if you like, sprinkle with a dash of paprika or some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color. It pairs wonderfully with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread in sandwiches. This easy recipe proves you don't need olive oil for fantastic hummus. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.